Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making a berry smoothie. For which I have with me, this is berry syrup with berries inside it, 60 ml of strawberry syrup, take about 200 grams of yogurt, ice cream, and I'm just going to add about 5 grams of castor sugar. So for the berry smoothie, we'll use a little fancy glass, using a margarita glass. Berry smoothie served. A nice, healthy berry breakfast. Oh yeah, this is my favorite. Do not forget to like, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav and I say that I will see you in another episode. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making a mango lassi. For this, I have taken some mango pulp. If it's the season for mangoes, then you can use fresh mangoes. If not, then there's always mango pulp, and which is about 180 ml of mango pulp and 250 grams of yogurt and some ice. Let's not forget that. Let's just get started. In goes the yogurt. It's going to make some noise and looks good, and lassi is ready. Pretty simple, not much to do with this one. If it is the season for mangoes, then you can garnish with some sliced mangoes on top. If you've noticed, I haven't added any sugar because the mango pulp is highly concentrated, so I didn't need any sugar for this. But if you're using fresh mangoes and they aren't sweet enough, do not hesitate to add sugar as per your taste. Ready to serve this. Cheers everyone. Cheers everyone. Do not forget to like, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Desi Bites. I will see you in another episode with another fun and easy recipe. See you guys. And welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making basic cheese omelette. I'm going to make my omelette with 3 eggs because the more the merrier. Some salt, just basic seasoning. If you want, you can add herbs, green chilies, and this is some white pepper. And now grated cheddar. I'm just going to mix some in it and some I'll put when the omelet's being cooked. There'll be double cheese. You beat the eggs nicely. Some olive oil in the pan. Let the oil heat a little bit in the pan for about half a minute on medium-high flame. And I'm going to pour my egg mixture. And what I'm going to do is now I'm going to add some cheese on top as well so it melts in with the egg. If you're adding a lot of cheese, make sure you don't put a lot of salt because cheese itself has salt and then your omelette will end up being extra salty and you don't want that. As you can see, I've used a little deep dish so that the omelette gets a little thick and fluffy. Cook this for maximum 5 minutes. You'll see it. Once the bottom is cooking and the layer on top gets nicely cooked and the cheese melts. I've switched off the heat and now I'm just going to let it rest for about half a minute to 45 seconds so that it cooks through. It already has at the bottom, just letting the cheese probably melt on top and it being just slightly runny on the top as a classic French omelette. As you can see, it's slightly runny but not raw. The cheese has blended in with the egg just fine. The classic cheese omelette, as you can see, it's got a nice toasted color, the perfect breakfast and a good consistency. It's nice and fluffy as well. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment to Desi Bites with me, Chef Pranav. I will see you in another fun episode with another fun recipe. Till then, you take care. See you.